A second. Yeah. So I'm assuming the mic is working fine. There's a lot of background noise, so there's some, I don't know, I wouldn't say party, but something is happening. Maybe some festival or some event. So let's get right into it. This is the day 2, and I didn't really take any new trades today. I was supposed to take one, but then I got busy with work and unfortunately missed this. So, para. Yeah, I would have entered around here in this candle. It did go up nicely. It went up like 4%, then it came back down to around 1.5, 1.6, but doesn't matter because I missed out on this. Another reason was that my funds are actually almost 100%, uh, like 100%. My funds have been utilized. I think I have like only 8k left out of the 1 lakh that I used to trade at the swings. So out of that, I only had like 8k, and if I was to take a position here with this stop loss, the risk was around 200 rupees, and the target would have been around 600 something. So I thought I might as well just wait out once other trades close up and my capital is released. I will take some better trades. And yeah, it's not that this was not a good trade, it was just that the timing did not match. My funds did not free up. So now coming to the trades, I think only one hit the target today. The rest are still running. So we'll go through them. One is TPHQ. This one finally stopped making the upper circuit, 5% circuit. So today it came down around 2-3%, I guess. Yeah, 3-4% it came down. I'm assuming it to maybe hover around and then continue the uptrend, because even in the previous trend I did see that some days it will just come down and maybe continue the trend. So assuming for that, and if it continues to come down, I'll maybe exit at break even, because that's the thing about these type of stocks. They start creating the upper and lower circuits very fast. So if I don't go get immediate positive trend, I'll exit on break even or a little bit of loss, but I'll not hold it till the stop loss, because once it starts making those lower circuits, nobody knows if I'll be able to exit on time or not. So yeah, this was just some random trade. Uh, I don't usually trade these type of stocks where the volume is not that great. The next one was, let me see, NetWeb. Yeah, so this has gone into profit today. I think it just uh, went in a range today. Yesterday it did show a good spike. So I am guessing tomorrow we might break the previous highs of today and hit the target. And I do see there is strong rejection every time the price comes to this area. You can see these big wicks and this big green and red candle. The price has not been able to sustain itself in this range. So maybe my target will not be hit. Maybe from this point onwards itself it will start falling. Nobody knows, nobody cares. The target has been set. And anyway, this is already a trade which I was supposed to lose out on. It was my luck that has got me so far. So maybe I will exit at break even if it starts falling. Then the next one was Ajanta Pharma. Yeah, this is a 4-hour candle trade. So this might run till the end of Jan or even further than that. I don't really like that it will, block my capital for so long. If it continues to remain in range for like a really long time, I might exit it at break even or wherever. If if it starts showing some uptrend, then yeah, good. Otherwise, what's the point? I'll quickly go through the other stocks because I'm getting a call. Ajanta, then ETH, Perry. Again, almost stagnant. Let me go into 1 hour. So this was almost in a range. It fell, then it came up. Almost no movement here today. Not really a lot to say about that. Then Servotech. Oh man, I still forgot to add the position. But yeah, it's almost at break even. Nothing happened. It opened up high, then it came down, then it went back up again. Yeah, so nothing is happening here as well. Maybe it's at a slight positive because I could have entered anywhere here, and it's slightly like it's almost as break even. So yeah, nothing is happening here. Tech Mahindra was not moving at all the entire day. Then it finally started moving during the second half when I got busy. So at the end of the day, I was happy to see that it has finally stopped coming into the negative zone. And yeah, hoping to break this resistance area and hit the target. Next is try turbine, sorry. Yeah, this as well started off falling down but then rose up, so it's at a slight positive today. Expecting the trend to continue. Not really a lot to say there. Zomato, nice trend today. Uh, yeah, I'm just wondering how it's gonna react according to this candle. Maybe it's just gonna ignore it. Maybe this was an anomaly or something. Yet to see how this impacts the movement in this area. If it is actually a strong rejection or if it was just something random. Obviously, it's not something random, but let's see how the price reacts. And then finally, Zensatech, the one that hit the target. So this basically just so it started off negative for the day and it went up like 9% or something. Yeah, it went up like 9, almost 10%. And that's the worst thing about being busy during the trading hours. I would not have exited at this target. I would have removed the target and I could have ridden it for like I would not have exited basically the stock. Now it has fallen down, so I'm not sure if I want to enter again. But if I was active and if I was looking at the market and if I saw this huge spike, I would have removed the take profit and maybe moved the stop loss to break even and ridden it, because if a stock gives you 10% in a day almost, then obviously there is a big trend coming up. But now I saw that it fell down 5%. So in hindsight, maybe I will not enter again because from the high, it fell back almost 4%, 3%. But logic suggests that it's gonna continue. This is nothing but a like profit booking. So if this is a strong trend, which is it, which it is, I think it's gonna break the highs and continue. Unfortunately, my position got closed because of the GTT and because I was not there to monitor it and remove the uh, take profit on time. But yeah, these are the trades. Didn't really add anything. Yeah, I already showed the trade I was supposed to take but could not because of busy. So yeah, these are the trades. Now the Zensatech capital has been released, so I'll be able to take another trade tomorrow. Let's see if a setup happens in one of the stocks. I'll take that trade. Otherwise, I'll let these run. Most of them are in profit. Today was a good day. Nifty also. Nifty finally in this zone. So we may see a rejection, we may see a range, or we may see a fall down, Maji. This entire stupid thing. Range, broke out, broke down, took support, went up, broke it. Now it's finally back here. Don't really care what happens to Nifty. But obviously, when it goes positive, all the other stocks generally go positive as well, unless you're in like a weird stock that's affected by the news or other fundamental stuff. So, yeah, it's a good thing that Nifty is starting to go back up. Maybe it's gonna get rejected and start falling, and my portfolio will become red tomorrow. That's possible. Anything is possible. That's why we have our targets and stop losses. And if it obviously goes till here, I think all of my targets will be hit by this time. Yeah. If it shows the same movement one more time before breaking down, I am sure all of my targets will be hit in these stocks. Okay, I guess this was it. I'll stop the recording. I have to get back to a meeting. I'm missing something. No. See you in day 3.